everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you guys how I organize my coupons. I have been slacking so much, so today I'm going to take some time and organize my coupons. Now these are probably about 2 months worth of coupons, you guys. Like, that's how bad it is. And then this is what I have right here, is how I organize my rest of my coupons. But guess what? These are from like 3 or 4 months ago, you guys, so I really need to organize my coupons, and that is what we're going to do today. But if you guys haven't noticed, this video is going to be sponsored by Fetch Rewards. Fetch Rewards is one of my ultimate favorite apps, and all you guys have to do is scan your receipts. So basically, you know, you just open up the app, and when you guys join today, you guys will get 2,000 points when you guys click the code, or when you guys click the link I have below, and you guys enter the code JEN. You guys will get 2,000 points when you guys join Fetch Rewards. Basically, every 1,000 points is $1. So, you know, let's see what you guys can do. Start scanning your receipts and see how much you guys can save. But basically what you guys do is you guys can buy specific products and get bonus points. So every receipt that you guys scan, you get 25 points for every receipt that you guys scan. And then you guys can get, if you guys buy specific items, you guys can get, now depending on when you guys watch this video, you guys can get bonuses. So I'm just going to show you guys here. So if you guys bought like this bag of chips right here, you'd get 1,250 points. That is equivalent to like $1.25. So every 1,000 points is $1. They do have freebies in here every once in a while. If you guys buy a specific product, you guys will get like 100% back in points. I know they had it with baby wipes not that long ago. I'm not sure if it's still available. But you just scan your receipt, you guys, and you guys get bonus points. So like if you guys bought this body wash, you get 1,000 points for buying the body wash. So it is super awesome. But yeah, and then what you guys can also do is you just scan your receipt, and you get points for every single time you scan your receipt. And it does keep track of how much you guys spent for your whole entire lifetime. Now, you guys know we don't spend that much. But then it also keeps track of what is your biggest spending month for every single year and all that stuff. And then it also compares of how much points you guys have gotten throughout the couple of years. But I absolutely love this. And then you guys can also start redeeming for gift cards, and you guys can get a whole bunch of stuff as little as 3,000 points. So if you guys want a $3 Amazon gift card, you can definitely do that. So today, after I go through all this mess, I am going to treat myself to something on Amazon. So that is what I plan to do, because, you know, this is going to take a lot of work, so why not we just treat ourselves on this cold day. For me, it is cold outside, so let's get cracking. So the first thing I'm going to do today, you guys, is I'm going to start organizing my coupons. Now, if you guys did not know this, some of you guys did not, if you look at the edge of your coupons, there's words on it. And usually you can't see it because it will not right here. If you guys see it, they have a date. Now this says 9/15/19. So you guys can actually organize it by date. I do not. I used to do the binder thing, but it was just, I spent too much time cutting coupons out. And then I used to do this little filing, which was nice, but again, I kept slacking. This is the best way that I organize my coupons, but I just been wanting to share this video with you guys for a long time. And, you know, now I have motivation. Well, I have one baby, but I don't have the one kid. So what I'm going to start doing right now is organizing this by pile and sharing with you guys what I'm going to do next. Okay, you guys, so I have organized all the inserts and everything is all piled up. I have little tape that I do write on the dates, but I do mix them up. I don't have them all organized. I just feel like this is the best way for me. And then I also have a box that is full of coupons that I'm going to be recycling. So just got about that. I have a little bit left of coupons left, but this is all going to recycle. So what I'm going to do next is start emptying those drawers, and I'll show you guys how else I do it. Okay, so the next thing I do is I don't have these in order. I just find it easier not really putting them in order. As long as I have the dates on them, they're fine. So what I do to empty out my stuff is I grab from the oldest date. So as you guys see, it's been a long time since I've organized my coupons. Like, I just have had zero motivation. So I just go through them. I check every single page, and I make sure that there's any that are still valid. I pretty much get rid of everything. Like, if there's one coupon that's still valid, if it's a product that I'll most likely get, I'll keep it. But everything else, I just pretty much just, you know, throw it away. It's like, whatever. So I'm just going to continue going through a lot of these drawers, and then I will show you what happens. Okay, you guys, so I have organized my whole drawers. I actually emptied out everything. Those were all expired coupons. There was some inserts that still had one coupon that was valid. So I just pulled out the page and I kept them. But I have a little drawer that I keep on the top that I keep all my printable coupons and then loose coupons. So I keep that in there. But these are all the coupons, you guys, that I am getting recycled. Like, I'm like literally 5 months behind. It's that crazy. I mean, this whole box is full, and then I get rid of all those. But I'm happy to get organized. I've been just so far behind. But so now what I'm going to do is start grabbing the inserts that I have, and I'm going to start labeling them in the drawer and show you guys what I do next. Now, I do want to share with you guys, this is very time consuming, but as long as you guys keep up with it, like, you know, when you get a new insert, get rid of a drawer, but keep the inserts that are still, or keep the pages that are still valid. These drawers fill about 3 months worth, and that's usually kind of how long most coupons do last for. But this is taking me a while to do, but I am just that far behind. So on to the next item. Okay, you guys, so I have all of my coupons organized. It did take me a while because it's just crazy having kids. But I feel very comfortable. I got my whole area all cleaned up, everything ready to go. So that means that this coming Sunday, I will go through my oldest ads and pitch everything. I will see what coupons are still valid, and I will put that in there. So after doing all this work, I am going to go to my Fetch Rewards ad, and I am going to buy something that I feel like I want to do it. So again, thank you Fetch Rewards for helping me out and sponsoring this video. I feel like it is time for me to buy something for myself. So I'm just going to buy something that I feel like it. Either I'm probably going to go get some food. So we're going to find some food. I can go out to Applebee's. I don't know. Maybe Burger King. Someplace fun. But loving it, loving it, loving it. I think I'm going to see. I'm just showing you guys all the restaurants. There's so many restaurants in here. So many. Taco Bell. Cheesecake Factory. Oh yeah, so I'm gonna go treat myself to something with the kids. But again, thank you guys for watching, and this is how I organize my coupons. Goodbye, you guys, and thank you Fetch Rewards.